Hello, this is HardReset.Info speaking for you, and in this video I'll show you how to stream on Xbox Series S. It's very simple. Firstly, you have to go to Microsoft Store and download Twitch app. Then open it, tap sign in and enter this website to activate your account. Now that we are logged in, go to Broadcast and manage your account. For example, you can change language, change title, destination, camera position, if you've got camera signed in, broadcast bar position. You can manage your microphone, party chat, game, bitrate, and stream resolution. Now, in order to start streaming, tap on Start Streaming in the left lower corner. Okay, now go back, go to Home, and select game you want to stream. As you can see in the right bottom corner, we are streaming right now and we are online. Unfortunately, we don't have any camera and microphone set up, but everything works fine. In order to stop streaming, again go to Twitch app and select Stop Streaming from the left bottom corner. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.